So now we are going to see the major groups of activities for improving the crop yields can be classified as crop variety improvement. First is crop variety improvement, second is crop production improvement, and third is the crop protection management. So what is the crop variety improvement? So crop variety improvement is take place by doing these three activities: breeding, hybridization, and the crossing. And the breeding means, student, the progenant, that is a nasl. Hybridization means the sankaran. Hybridization means the sankaran. So let's see about the crop variety improvement. So breeding, hybridization, and the crossing. Crossing is again divided into two sub, that is the intervarietal and the interspecific. So breeding, let's see the first breeding. Breeding means the plant breeding is the science of the changing the traits of the plants in order to produce desired characteristic. Means here, students, in the science, as you know, in the technology is very nowadays the technologies are day by day, the qualities, the different things, the quality is going to introducing, the different technologies are introducing. Yes, so here if we are talking about the plant breeding is the science of the changes, means it is plant breeding is a science of changing the traits of plants. Means plants के जो characters है उसे breeding की मदद से उसे नए प्लांट में डालकर अच्छे क्वालिटी डिजायर्ड क्वालिटी का सीड कहो या तो पौधा कहो हम तैयार कर सकते हैं. द प्लांट ब्रीडिंग इज द साइंस ऑफ चेंजिंग द ट्रेट्स ऑफ प्लांट्स इन ऑर्डर टू प्रोड्यूस डिजायर्ड कैरेक्टर्स. इफ आई विल गिव एन एग्जांपल टू यू स्टूडेंट, यू आर नोइंग अबाउट द ग्रीन यू आर नोइंग अबाउट द ब्लैक ग्राम एंड द ग्रीन ग्राम. आप सब सुने होंगे. काला चना भी कहा जाता है, मार्केट में अवेलेबल होता है, और जो गाउटी चना होता है वो भी मार्केट में अवेलेबल होता है. यस, बट यू आर ऑल्सो नोइंग दैट छोला चना, यस, छोला माइट हैव many students are mostly like when they heard the name of the chola, so literally their mouth is literally filled with the water. Yes or no, students? Yes, but I like very much that the chola is also a good variety of the desired characters of the gram. Yes, so for breeding only, by using this different techniques only, we are getting the desired characteristic of the plants. Yes, so breeding की मदद से हम पौधों में एक नया कैरेक्टर्स तैयार कर देते हैं, एक कुछ ऐसे नए कैरेक्टर्स तैयार करते हैं जिससे जो हमें प्रोड्यूस मिलता है, जो प्रोडक्शन मिलता है वो बहुत अच्छे क्वालिटी का होता है. ओके, सो दैट इज ओनली द मीनिंग ऑफ द ब्रीडिंग हियर. हाइब्रिडाइजेशन इज आल्सो द सेम मीनिंग. दिस बोथ थ्री, ऑल द थ्री आर हैविंग द सेम मीनिंग. द हाइब्रिडाइजेशन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ द प्लांट ब्रीडिंग. हाइब्रिडाइजेशन की एक ऐसी प्रोसेस है जिसमें प्लांट की ब्रीडिंग की जाती है. एक दूसरे वैरायटी के प्लांट्स को एक विद एन इंडिविजुअल ऑफ अनदर स्पीसीज और द वैरायटी मीन्स ब्रीडिंग की जाती है. किसमें ब्रीडिंग की जाती है? क्रॉसिंग की जाती है विद एन इंडिविजुअल ऑफ अनदर स्पीसीज. मीन्स एक नए दूसरे स्पीसीज और द वैरायटी के साथ उस प्लांट की ब्रीडिंग की जाती है, क्रॉसिंग की जाती है. उन दोनों प्रजातियों को मिलाकर एक नई प्रजाति को तैयार किया जाता है. ओके, सो दिस इज ओनली द मीनिंग ऑफ द हाइब्रिडाइजेशन एंड सेम एज द स्टूडेंट द क्रॉसिंग. द मीनिंग ऑफ द क्रॉसिंग इज ऑलवेज द सेम हियर, बट अगेन दिस क्रॉसिंग इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू. देयर इज द टू टाइप्स ऑफ क्रॉसिंग इज टेक प्लेस. वन इज द इंटरवैराइटल एंड नेक्स्ट इज द इंटरस्पेसिफिक. लेट्स सी व्हाट अबाउट द इंटरवैराइटल. Intervarietal crossing means the crossing take place in between the two different varieties. Means दो different variety के बीच में क्रॉसिंग की जाती है और एक नई प्रजाति को तैयार किया जाता है, नए स्पेसीज को तैयार किया जाता है. ओके, सो दिस इज मीनिंग द इंटरवैराइटल. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट द इंटरस्पेसिफिक? इंटरस्पेसिफिक मीन्स द क्रॉसिंग बिटवीन द टू डिफरेंट स्पेसीज ऑफ द सेम जीनस. मीन्स इफ आई विल गिव द एग्जांपल टू यू द रोज प्लांट. अगर हमने यहाँ पर पिंक रोज प्लांट लिया है और रेड रोज प्लांट लिया, सो डेफिनेटली वी विल गेट द प्रोडक्शन, we will get a new species, that is the maroon rose plant. Yes, so here we have taken the different species we have taken, but we have in the same genus. एक रोज ही प्लांट के हमने दो डिफरेंट स्पेसीज लिया और हमें एक नई प्रजाति मिल गई. Yes, so this is only the meaning of the breeding, hybridization and the crossing. Okay, so with the practices such kind of the techniques, we will get a very good improvement. Yes, very good improvement in our qualities. But the students, this good qualities is depend on the different conditions. Yes, farmers would need to be provided with good quality seeds to the particular variety. Yes, the farmer is ready to give a good variety, but what the situation is, what the condition is depend there. First, the cultivation practices and the crop yield are related to the weather. These are all the things. If we want to good variety, good quality of the production of the any variety of the seeds or crop, for that we need the conditions which are the weather, soil quality and the availability of water. If these three conditions would not be there, then it is very difficult to get a good quality. Yes. So since weather conditions such as the drought and the flood situation are, we are knowing these things are the very unpredictable, because these are the natural calamities. Yes. So for that, if again we want to get more improvement in the variety of the crops, so this is the which thing is depend on that: higher yield, improved quality, biotic and the abiotic resistance, change in the maturity duration, wider adaptability and the desirable economic characteristics. Yes, so these are the things, the abiotic and the biotic characters, all the things depend for the good variety of the good variety of the crops. Okay. So what is a higher yield, students? Here, to increase the productivity of the crop, means higher yield का मतलब ये होता है कि जो प्रोडक्शन है क्रॉप का, वो क्या हो, दिनों दिन क्या हो, इंक्रीज हो, बढ़े. ओके. इम्प्रूव क्वालिटी, इफ डेफिनेटली we will take a good quality of seeds, so we will get the good quality of the good variety of the production. Yes. And also the natural calamity is also depend for that. If the no natural calamities is there, so we will get a good production of crops. And yes, one thing is also there, the change in the maturity duration. If the less time we will give for the harvesting of the crops, so definitely in 1 year we will do cropping, or we will do the एग्रीकल्चर इन द 2 or more times. yes, मीन्स साल भर में अगर हम जो मैच्योरिटी का जो ड्यूरेशन है, अगर हम उसे थोड़ा कम कर देते हैं, तो साल भर में हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बार फिर से बुआई कर सकते हैं. yes, नए खेती के लिए. So that is also important, that is the change in the maturity duration. Now the wider adaptability. Developing varieties for the wider adaptability will help in the stabilizing the crop production under the different environmental conditions. One variety can then be grown under the different climatic conditions. Okay, in the different areas. So obviously the different areas having the different climatic conditions. So here I have completed, students, this topic. So very soon in our next class, but before going to end this topic, I want to say, if you are having the textbook, students, so it is very good while watching this video, definitely you have to read this chapter, otherwise you will not get anything. Might be you are going to confuse it. Okay, so it is very good if you will read the chapters simultaneously while watching the videos. You will get the points clearly. Okay, so if you are not having the textbook, please go to the Play Stores or the ePathshala. There all the availability of the textbook is there, of the NCERTs. So you go through it and read the chapters while watching the videos. And again I will say that it is very important to your feedback also. If you will having the queries in the related previously whatever I have sent the videos to you, it is very important to give feedback to us. If you will not give feedback to us, so how students we come to know whether you are getting the points or not? We are going further. We are just completing a lesson, but what about you? If you will get the points clearly, so it is beneficial for you also and for us also. Yes. So please, if you will get any queries, again I am telling, without hesitation you can ask all the things to me. without any confusion. You clear out all your queries. Okay, thank you students, thank you so much.